Alright, same deal, only we are setting up years. I picked next 12 years, just threw them down in random order. So Charlie, if you will, pick a year. Yeah, come pick a year. Any year, come on. You don't want to do it? Come on, Nostradamus. Come on, pick a year. Pick a year. Pick a year. You dropped one down. What's it going to be? 2012. Good boy. Good boy. Here's a treat. You can see all these numbers are random. Yeah. Alright. So the Charlie pick is December 2012. Just as good random of a pick as any. So there you go. That's Nostradamus. I doubt if that date has any real significance, but Charlie seems to think it does. Anyway, Nostradamus, signing out.